This is a original set of Honda CV axles for the Honda S2000. And you can see how these things come in as core. These are northern axles, super low mileage, but you know, in great shape inside, but look terrible on the outside. This is halfway through the process of restoration. As you can see, they are coming along really nicely. And when they are finished, they will look amazing and perform even better. Stand by. I hope you're comfortable. This is Shop Kitty's new home. Ever since this box has come in, he's laid claim to it. This is the same box from an earlier video. It's just a Shop Kitty thing. Can't get rid of it, gotta keep it. And welcome back, and we are here with a set of PuddyMod Performance axles being built today. I have all the prep work done on them, and now it's assembly time. These are the factory boot kits that are used to do that assembly with. There are other proprietary things that go into these axles to make them a performance set of axles and to last and hold up to the demands that you guys put on these things. So we're going to get that done now. Today's episode is sponsored by me. I bought the Starbucks coffee today. And let's get started getting the assembly done. Shop Kitty. Hey, baby. So you being a good baby? Are you going to help today? Are you going to help today? Yeah. Oh, what a good baby. Yeah. Alright, we are on the home stretch of these axles now. The label goes on after the quality goes in. This one's all ready to go. Has the proper amount of grease in it. Our special synthetic in-house grease here. Our bearings are in place. Going to go ahead and set the cup on and finish off this set. There we go. All right. Go ahead and put this cup on. Get it in place. And just set it up here. There's your grease. And you don't want to put too much in there. Just enough. Otherwise, you will get that boot to expand and it will leak. It has to be able to expand. If you put too much grease in that cup, it cannot expand and it will find a way out by causing a leak. All right, next thing we do, we get our strap into place. These are the original Honda straps that have been on these axles forever and are going to stay that way because they are the best. That's why we polished them and put them right back into place. They're stainless steel, so they look fantastic after being polished. We'll go ahead and mark our unit so we know that it's finished, and if it's ever been opened up, it will break that seal. Okay, there we go, and that's it. Articulate the joint. Everything looks good there. And there you have it. That is the right side, the passenger side axle, finished and complete. These were in pretty rough shape physically. You know, the condition of them didn't look great, but they did clean up really well. But they had virtually no mileage on them and were in excellent condition, so they were definitely worth a rebuild. And there's some pineapples from the garden out here at the shop. We have a pretty extensive garden, pretty big garden, got a greenhouse, all kinds of stuff out there growing, and pineapple just happens to be one of the things that grows in the garden here, and it's really good. Well, there you go. Have our new Honda axle nuts in place, and they are ready for installation now. This has been a busy axle week. On the bench right now is a set of stock PuddyMod axles. These are the OEM factory built axles that I do. What you see there is the factory assembly line grease. And the difference between them is you have a black end on this end, but on the outbound side, I don't do it black, I do it in silver. So you can definitely tell the difference right away from the performance set, from the stock set. But anyway, getting ready to do the final bit of assembly on this one and get this one sent out next. There they are. This is the OE factory stock built axle. I did add a little performance upgrade to these that is a surprise for the client. I'm sure he'll be very happy about that, and it should give even more longevity to these axles. These are a really good set of axles that come from the factory. There really is no finer for this car. So just doing some enhancements to these things can make them last longer, perform better, and handle more power. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Please subscribe, make comments, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.